Imagine a desolate, barren desert, devoid of life, suddenly bursting into a lush, green agricultural land. Sounds impossible, right? Picture the infinite expanse of sand, the relentless sun, the ruthless winds, all conspiring to create an environment that seems inhospitable, an environment where life struggles to exist. Now envision this same landscape, but with a twist. Imagine a sea of green where once there was only sand. Picture fields of crops swaying gently in the breeze, forests providing shelter to a diverse array of wildlife, and people living and working in harmony with nature. Sounds like a fantasy, doesn't it? A transformation so vast, so complete, it seems as likely as a mirage in the desert. But sometimes reality can be stranger than fiction. What if I told you that this isn't just a figment of our imagination, but a real tangible goal, a transformation in progress? Well, in China, this isn't just a flight of fancy, but a reality in progress. Before we delve deeper into this transformative journey, we would like to take a second to smash the like and subscribe buttons. Your likes, your shares, your comments, they all add up to make a big difference, telling YouTube to show this video to other people. And I really appreciate it, so thanks. Now let's journey back in time to China, 1978, where an audacious plan is about to unfold. The year is 1978, and China is facing a growing desertification problem. Our journey back in time starts right here, amid a vast expanse of encroaching sand dunes, a landscape threatening to swallow up fertile land and livelihoods. This is China, circa 1978. The threat? A relentless desert inching closer and closer to human habitat. It was a situation that called for action, and China responded with an audacious plan. A plan so grand it would change the face of their landscape forever. This plan was the 3 North Shelter Belt program, more popularly known as the Great Green Wall Project. A wall, not built with bricks and mortar, but with trees and vegetation, aiming to hold back the encroaching desert and transform it into productive agricultural land. The project's goals were ambitious, to say the least. It was to stretch across the northern edge of China, covering a distance equivalent to half the length of the equator. The mission was clear: to combat desertification, protect the environment, and ensure the livelihood of millions of people living in the region. It was an effort to restore the balance between humans and nature, a balance that had been disrupted by years of unsustainable farming practices and deforestation. The initial steps taken were monumental. Millions of trees were planted across thousands of kilometers. Men, women, and even children joined hands in this endeavor, turning the dream of a great green wall into a reality. It was a testament to human determination, a fight against nature's wrath, a fight for survival. But this was just the beginning. The project was slated to continue for decades, with each year bringing new challenges and new opportunities. With every tree planted, the vision of a green, fertile China was slowly taking shape, turning the once barren lands into a testament of resilience and resolve. Faced with an environmental crisis, China embarked on a journey that would change the face of its landscape forever. This journey, the journey of the Great Green Wall, is a story of hope, a story of transformation, a story that is still being written today. And as we delve deeper into this tale, we'll discover the profound impact this project has had and continues to have on the people and the environment. Before we continue with this fascinating journey, a quick reminder. If you're finding this story of China's Great Green Wall as intriguing as we do give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support is invaluable in helping us bring more such compelling narratives to light. Every like, every subscription opens up new possibilities for us to explore and for you to learn. So let's keep this conversation going. Now back to the Great Green Wall. With the stage set in 1978, the transformation slowly began to unfold. The momentous task of turning desert into farmland was not one that could be accomplished overnight. It was a journey, a painstakingly slow process that had its fair share of trials and tribulations. Picture this: it's the late 70s, and the first seeds of the Great Green Wall have just been planted. As the years roll on, the saplings sprout, growing taller and stronger. By the turn of the century, the first signs of greenery start to peek through the sandy expanses, a testament to human resilience and tenacity. Now fast forward to the present day. The once barren landscape has been replaced by a verdant oasis, a green belt stretching for miles and miles. But this transformation hasn't been without its challenges. Weather conditions were harsh, and the lack of water made it difficult for the saplings to survive. However, through innovative irrigation techniques and a whole lot of perseverance, the project persevered. The use of drought-resistant tree species helped too. And let's not forget the millions of people who devoted their time and energy into making this dream a reality. The Great Green Wall didn't just spring up overnight, it was the result of countless hours of labor, relentless determination, and an unwavering belief in the power of nature to heal itself, given a little help. It's a story of transformation, but it's also a story of resilience. It's a testament to what can be achieved when we refuse to accept the status quo and instead dare to dream big. So where are we now? Today, the Great Green Wall stands as a symbol of hope and regeneration. It's a beacon of green in a world that's becoming increasingly gray. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of nature. Over the decades, the impossible slowly started to look possible. And as we continue to face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, the Great Green Wall serves as a potent reminder of what we can achieve when we put our minds to it. The Great Green Wall project wasn't just about transforming land, it was about transforming lives. This monumental endeavor has reaped more than just environmental benefits. It has fundamentally altered the social and economic fabric of the regions it touches. Communities that once struggled with the harsh realities of desert life now thrive with agricultural abundance. Jobs have been created, poverty levels have fallen, and families have been given new hope. The wall has brought life and vitality to areas previously marked by scarcity and struggle. Economically, the project has stimulated growth by fostering industries such as agriculture, forestry, and ecotourism. It has also paved the way for scientific research and technological advancements in desertification control and sustainable farming practices. Environmentally, the wall serves as a bulwark against desertification, helping to preserve biodiversity and combat climate change. It has become a living laboratory for studying the delicate balance between man and nature. Looking towards the future, the project is far from complete. Plans are in place to extend the wall, to further combat desertification, and to create even more sustainable communities. This is not just a project for China, but a beacon of hope for the world. It shows us what can be achieved when we put our hearts, minds, and resources into reshaping our environment for the better. The Great Green Wall, a testament to human resilience and innovation, continues to grow, promising a greener, more sustainable future. That's the story of the Great Green Wall, an audacious project that's transforming a desert into a land of abundance. A testament to the power of human ingenuity and resilience, this remarkable initiative continues to shape the future of China and the world. We hope you've found this journey as fascinating as we have, and that it sparked your curiosity to know more about such incredible ventures. If you've enjoyed this video, do show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest releases. Have friends who might be interested in this? Feel free to share this video with them. There's so much more we're excited to share with you. From groundbreaking innovations to extraordinary environmental endeavors, we've got a plethora of captivating stories lined up. So stay tuned. Remember, every like, subscribe, and share helps us bring more such fascinating stories to you. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.